is beautiful. When I feel the humid in the air, all I say is rain is beautiful. When I see lights reflecting in a puddle, all I think is rain is beautiful. No matter what you say, just look out and say that rain is beautiful. Rain is beautiful. Them haters, they wanna bring me down. That plagiarism is all I feel right now. When figures can't make their own shit, they look up for people who better at it. They see me, they laugh, but little they know, you pushing my buttons, I will let it go. You don't wanna see my creativity flow. And when you are around me, it's better you know that rain is beautiful. When I feel the humid in the air, all I say is rain is beautiful. When I see lights reflecting in a puddle, all I think is rain is beautiful. No matter what you say, just look out and say that rain is beautiful. Rain is beautiful. I came from nothing. I made all this myself. Every video I made all that myself. Every risk that I take, I do all that myself. Every change that I make, I take all that myself. All the people that love me, PM me non-stop. All people that hate me, think I give a fuck. The effort it took to get in this position, it always felt like an impossible mission. You struggle, you open a door. And after you do that, then in follows more. They follow your footsteps that you lay in the mud. Undiscovered land because of the plagiarism part. And being successful means copy machine. With like, comment, subscribe if you know what I mean. 'Cause rain is beautiful.